windows. Never showed them.
I'm so uçurum. Haydi. Haydi.
This table.
Mommy, up there, there's some more pumpkins. Oh, that's why it's not opened. Pumpkins!
Boy fish, Ponzi fish.
Outside of the pumpkin, like lemongrass and...
I really don't know if there's anything that'll prevent them from doing what they do, unfortunately, because they're my nemesis. You know, we battle every year. Because I collect these pumpkins. I do so many events throughout the season that I kind of hoard these pumpkins. I have a couple of growers that I work with upstate, and you know, I can't go to the pumpkin patch every single time, so I collect all these good ones, and you only have so much room in my studio, so Some of them, you know, they're great outside. They preserve really well outside, but those squirrels, boy, they love getting after them. And they'll always like take one bite out of every pumpkin rather than just like go nuts on one. And it's always in the front where you want to carve. So I've heard vinegar. You know, vinegar is a natural solution. People spray it with bleach, thinking that it would prevent it.
Take this bag and put it in your purse.
No.
Faut clean.